So WatchOS 27 has just officially came out in a developer beta yesterday, and you might be wondering how this particular version of software is holding up, particularly on the Apple Watch Series 8, and even if it even got it in the first place. Now, the sad news is, unfortunately, the Apple Watch Series 8 did not go through and get WatchOS 27. So that is kind of sad. I thought this Apple Watch could have probably supported it, to be honest with you. It really wasn't that outdated of a watch, and I feel like, it's still pretty much powerful enough to handle it. So that was kind of a surprising thing there. But I will tell you, still for the most part, it is still a very good Apple Watch. And even though it's not getting any more software updates from that side, I still actually think it does hold up pretty well from that particular side, even if it's still on WatchOS 26. So unfortunately, the Apple Watch Series 8 did not actually get WatchOS, 27. But like I said, I still think it holds up decently well on this version of software. So from that side, that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.